Now we got her fired the right way. Now we got her fired up the right way. At least that sun ain't in the camera for the most part. Alright, now we're cooking with gas. I should have brought the broom too. What's going on, everybody? Had to get that camera turned around so I could see if somebody comments or asks a question. Getting this baby ready. Everything's frozen. Can't fish in the snow. I mean, I probably would fish in the snow in here if I was only going to be around the house. Going down to the Potomac, we're going to clean it out. We're going to do it right. There's a chunk of frozen mud in there. And here's my cutting board. Wicked fishing. Same as the hat. Good people. Great boat wraps. Sam's awesome. Awesome boat wrap. Y'all didn't get that man. Alright. We're getting there. We're definitely getting there. Yep. Whew. At least the weather's going to be nice on the Potomac tomorrow. Dump some hot water in here. Let her start thawing out. Yep. Definitely going to need more than one bucket, but that did a shot on it. What's up, y'all? Yep, just getting the boat ready for the Potomac. Just got her cleared out a little bit there. We're going to keep working on her. But if we want to go fishing, we're going to have to do some digging of the snow. We're definitely going to have to do some digging. I'm going to just put it out here too. I put Trex floor in for decking as my floor. This way I could do all this, rinse it off. I don't have to worry. Am I ruining carpet? I catfish, so it needs to be able to be durable. Yeah, I'm going to need to throw some more hot water on that one. These things will come off. Take these in the house. They'll get washed for tomorrow, so we have fresh ones. Always clean my tails. Got to be prepared. It's cold out there. I need something to dry our hands on. I might actually bring the heater back out after I go get some water. What's going on, everybody? Y'all got any questions? Let me know. We're in Pennsylvania, but we're heading to the Potomac tomorrow. Fish for some blue cats. It is going to be a trip. Maybe it don't want to sit up there. Alright. Alright, y'all, let me go grab some water. I'll be right back. Get her all cleaned up. A lot of work goes into chasing these blues in the wintertime. As you can see, this is definitely a pain. But if you love them, that's what you do. If you're on them, you stay on them. Clean her all off. Sun will hit her a little bit today after I clean her out. We're leaving pretty early in the morning. We're leaving pretty early in the morning. Yeah, we're getting ready. There's snow out here. Without breaking nothing. About got her licked. That's what I'm saying. We'll go ahead and say that now. About got her licked. I just need to get some of that hot water on this deck. But yeah, we'll do a live once I get down there and get set up on the Potomac. We're gonna check her out, see if this thing's frozen. Oh, that motor ain't frozen. Coming up slow, but she's working. She's coming up slow, but she's working. But yeah, we're gonna stay on this. We're definitely gonna need some more hot water for down in there. I got that battery out of there. I know it's good, it's charged to just raise the motor up, but anytime I go out of state fishing, I always like to make sure that my batteries are charged. I got extra gas, that everything is just to the T. I even take an extra battery just to be on the safe side. Now this thing's turning my volume up and down. Ain't that lovely? There we go. Now she's back. But yeah, man, stay tuned. Tomorrow morning, Potomac, we're going to hit it. I'm going to go ahead and set the live up once we get out there and get in the spot because I'm still new and only got like one line for the Potomac. But we're going to hit it. We're going to see what we can do. But like I said, just to give you guys an idea, that wintertime fishing, I mean, there's a lot that goes into it. I mean, you got to clean the boat out. You got to make sure conditions are right. Don't ever go out in flooded waters and sit in the middle. You got to stay to the sides. I mean, you'll find out. But you got to be careful. And this wintertime stuff, I mean, they bite, but you got to be prepared. So like I said, I wanted to do the live of getting the boat somewhat set up so you guys can see exactly what all takes place. It's not just a walk in the park. But if you love fishing, you'll do it. So y'all take it easy. Have a great evening. It's not just a walk in the park. But if you love fishing, you'll do it. So y'all take it easy. Have a great evening.